Hey everybody, it's Fiona from ShiFio's Patterns, and today I'm going to show you how to make this teeny tiny bag. I love it. I have designed a couple more and I will do the videos for them at some point. But I'm going to show you how to make this one today. Isn't it cute? Wait till my daughter sees this. She's got a few mini bags. They seem to be popular right now. So anyway, we're going to start making this one. I haven't starched the handles or anything, so they're a wee bit floppy. I was thinking about getting some spray starch and just making them nice and firm. Anyway, so for this project, I'm going to be using, I can get it around the right way, a 3.5mm hook. I'll need my little needle and my scissors, and I'm using light worsted yarn. The tension for this, let's see, is, well, it's tiny, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stitches by, oh my goodness, let's see, oh gosh, and there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows approximately. I always like to make sure that my tension is right, otherwise it could turn out too big or too small. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the white yarn. I'm just going to pop this little bag out of the way, and we're going to make 11 chain. So to start off, we make a loop. You insert your hook into the loop. I'm going to do 1 chain, then we're going to pull it tight, and that makes our slip knot. So we're going to make 11 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to just pop my yarn away. 9, 10, 11. Right, so for row 1, we are going to do 1 double crochet into, 1 single crochet into the second chain from hook. And I always like doing it on the bump on the back, so we're going to turn it over. And it's not going to be that one, but it's going to be this one. So we're going to do 1 single crochet in there. And we're going to do 1 single crochet to each chain until the end. And you should have 10 stitches at the end. I will be doing a written pattern for this and the other bags that I have designed, and when it's ready I will pop the link below. See if I can get it into this last one. There we go. Okay, for row 2 we're going to do 1 chain, turn, and we're going to do 1 single crochet into each stitch to end, and this is the base of the bag. I've done much smaller crocheting than this. Years ago I used to love making doll's house furniture, and I used to make tiny little blankets and teddy bears on these small, I think it was a 0.9mm hook with embroidery thread. Little granny squares, they were tiny. Right, now we're going to start on the sides. So we're going to take our yellow yarn, place it over the hook, pull it through, tighten everything. Okay, you're going to make 2 chain, which is not going to be included in your stitches, and we're going to make 1 half double crochet into the same stitch and 1 half double crochet into the next 9 stitches. So yarn over hook, hook through, yarn over, pull through, pull through all 3 loops. do that to the end of this row. Okay, so you should have 10 stitches, not including the 2 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to make 1 half double crochet into each of the sides of these single crochet rows. So it's 1, 2, and then we're going to make 1 half double crochet into these 10 stitches. Just check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to do 1 single crochet into the side of these 2 rows. Single crochet. 1 half double crochet into the side. 1, 2. Now, instead of slip stitching into the top of the 2 chain, we're going to slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet. If I can find it. It's so tiny. Okay. Pull tight. Right. So now we're going to rejoin the white yarn. So we lay that over the hook and pull through. Okay. And again, we're going to do the 2 chain, which is not going to be counted. And we're going to make 1 half double crochet into each stitch to the end. If you want to mark the start and end of your rows, if that makes it easier for you, then go ahead. I'll see you at the end of this round. So I've done the next round and I've counted the stitches I have, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the first half double crochet again. Okay, so you want to do the same row again, sorry, the same round again. I've just got my little bag here. So as you can see, there's the white and there's the white. So you want to repeat this round, changing colour each time and ending on a yellow. So you want to repeat it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more times. Changing colour each time and ending on a yellow. And I'll see you then. At this point, I have sewn in the 2 ends, there's 2 starting ends, because they kept getting in my way. So just wanted to give you that little tip. Okay, so now we've done the repeats. Let's start doing the top of the bag and the handles. So we can get rid of that one. Woo. And just concentrate on the white. So we're going to take the top in slightly. Okay, so we've got our white here. Started. And we are going to single crochet 2 together. So hook through, pull through, hook through, pull through. Now I've just popped this along the back of my stitches. I don't know if you can see. And that's so I don't have to sew it in. So we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 10 stitches. I don't know if you can hear, but one of my neighbours has decided to start cutting their grass. It's that time of year again, folks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to single crochet 2 together at this side as well. And then single crochet into the next 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whoopsies, and 10. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the top of this here. Okay, now we can chop off that end. Oh, and they've started again. Hopefully you won't be able to hear it. Okay. Now we're going to pop onto the handle. So you would chain 1. And you do 1 single crochet until you get around about here. You want to make sure it looks even. You want to have 4 missed in the middle, right in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that look about right for me? Yes. So I am now going to chain 10 for the handle. 1, 2, whoopsies, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're going to skip that 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, lost it. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to put my hook in here, and I'm going to crochet around to the other side till I get to about the same place. Maybe one more, as you can see. And then we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to skip that 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 2, 3. And then slip stitch into the top of there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, sorry. So there should be 7 along each side and 4 missed in the middle. And then the last round is 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain and stitch until the end. So one, 2, 3. Okay, and then we just slip stitch into the top. You want to cut the yarn, and then we're going to sew in this thread. I'm just going to pop it in there just now. So, aren't they cute? I think they are. Oh my god, how cute are these wee bags? Aren't they so sweet? This one, she's got a little laptop in there, look. You know, they can be used for your Barbies or just on display or whatever. I think they're cute. Or you could just, you know, put your little water bottle and your makeup palette. Take it out with you for the day. Very cute. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share. Please subscribe to our channel because we're coming out with new videos all the time. And, you know, we'd like to know that you're watching and enjoying them. Oh, that one doesn't want to stay up. So, thank you for watching and happy crocheting.